Hello, my name is Tom Tresser. I call myself a civic educator and public defender. I'm the co-founder and COO of the CivicLab Chicago. We are a Black-led do tank for grassroots democracy and social justice. 100 years ago, white people destroyed the community in Tulsa known as Black Wall Street. Hundreds were killed and tens of millions of dollars of wealth were destroyed. America has been stealing Black wealth for 400 years. The CivicLab now adds to that chain of oppression tax increment financing districts, or TIFs. TIFs are special districts created for so-called economic development, and they steal property taxes. These dollars are placed in slush funds that are doled out to clouded white developers. And when a dollar of property tax goes missing, the #1 victim is our public school system. And since TIFs are in 49 states, we estimate that America's public schools are being ripped off of at least $20 billion per year. We need a robust and responsive public sector. We need people to understand and drive the process of civic budgeting. It's a matter of life and death. In 2013, the CivicLab launched the TIF Illumination Project as a way into the civic conversation about how public dollars are used and abused. And since cities bury the data that explains how TIF money is spent, we use reporting and organizing methods to expose and explain the harms TIF brings. We train people to find, interpret, and report this data. Sometimes a spreadsheet is a powerful weapon of truth and liberation. We're working with activists in 10 cities on economic justice and TIFs right now. Here are the logos of some of these great groups. We turn data into powerful stories. We show how public dollars are used and who gets them. We focus on one community at a time. This poster right here displays the TIFs of Chicago's 27th Ward. We've been called to present at over 180 public meetings, which we call illuminations, which is remarkable because we have no office or paid staff. We have a strong team of seasoned social justice organizers, educators, and policy experts to drive and inform our work. We seek the expertise of the MIT Solve family to grow our work. We need help placing our data and tools online. We seek counsel on making this a global effort, as TIF-like scams are found in many countries. We want to illuminate countries around the country and around the globe so that we may all bask in the sunlight of civic abundance and justice. Thank you.